It's your boy Ish, and we back at it for another video. So a lot of you guys been asking, Ish, drop your stock portfolio, drops your stock portfolio. What are you invested into? I want to see what you're invested into. How are you making money? Are you making money? Everyone's been asking me so many different types of questions. So here it is. I'm dropping you guys a brand new video releasing all of my information about what stocks I'm personally invested into. What am I doing right now on a daily basis to keep up with my stock portfolio? So let's dive into the old Robinhood and check it out. So as you can see, I have about $11,000 in my Robinhood account. I had about $6,000 that was personally invested in my money, and it kept growing, it kept growing, it kept growing. So as you can see that, I have $1,100 invested into my portfolio. It goes up, it goes down, boo hoo. But at the end of the day, look, check out the past week, past month. I've been killing it, especially because I had a high position, a very big position in Tesla, and I just recently sold. So, I sold I think at 494. So, I made a lot of profit, cashed out, and reinvested. So as you can see, this is a real number. These aren't fake charts or anything like that. As you can obviously see, these are numbers that, are real, legit, and everything like that. But let's go to the 1 year and see, I just started recently. If you guys could see, I just started in June. So the first week of June, I just started investing. And actually, I invested into a very bad stock. So my first experience, I was just ready to go. I had a lot of money. I was like, let's just throw it in and see what happens. So I had one of my friends told me about this stock called Nikola. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with it. Nikola I invested at like $90 and it freaking tanked. So the stock itself went down to like 20. Like at its lowest, I think it hit like 15. So I was like, oh wow, that's fun. So anyway, first off, bad experience with stocks and not like it. I was like, yo, bro, what the heck happened? I thought stocks go up. So so that happened. And then I kind of figured out, the ins and outs of stock investing and what works and what doesn't work and what you need to actually invest into. And then I've been diversifying. So if you can see the 3-month chart, this was all diversified. Like I was diversified in my portfolio, like a lot. And I kept losing, I kept gaining, but it was super stagnant. And then I figured out this little tactic that this is such a bad tactic, please do not do this. I'm not a stock, expert. Do not do this. I said, screw it, bro. I know Tesla is everyone's favorite stock. It has its Roadster. It still has its, semi truck. It still has its Cybertruck that are all supposed to drop. I know that stock's going up for a fact. I don't care if I make 1%, 2%. I know that stock is going up. So I invested $6,000 into Tesla. And it paid off. So, I just invested and then exited out like a couple days ago. And I made about $1,100 off the stock itself and only had invested $6,000. So you guys could see, if you don't diversify, sometimes it can pay off. So let's check out our stock. Let's check out my stocks, like what I'm invested into right now. And is it a smart move and why am I invested into these specific stocks? So let's check it out. So first stock, this is the stock that they gave me because of the referral, the referral little thing for Robinhood. So this is my free stock, got Prospect Capital. On the all-time, I'm down to 28%. But it's only like $5, so it's whatever. It's a free stock at the end of the day. Next stock is my favorite, my little munchkin guy. Okay, so Nikola. So I'm invested into the stock I invested at the stock at the average cost of $93, guys. 90 freaking 3. It's at 26, and it was recently at like 18. And it took L, but this is the one stock that it really hurt me because it was my first experience and I didn't know what to do with it. Anyway, second stock I had is Microsoft. Microsoft is one of those stocks that I really personally believe that was going to blow up. And also there was rumors that was going around that they were going to buy TikTok. I definitely invested into it. I'm down -4% on it. I don't have a big position. I just have $400 in it. But it's, one of those stocks that everyone has. Other thing I had was Amazon. This was when I was highly diversified, putting in like a couple $100s in each stock and just trying to figure out if one is going to go up, awesome, cool, but you're only going to make a couple of dollars. So Amazon was one of those stocks. As you can see, I only put $48 into it or $50 into it. I'm actually down. So, these are one of those stocks that I was I diversified my portfolio like crazy. I had a little bit of money everywhere. And I thought just generally my money is just going to go up. But it never went up. It was super stagnant and I never made any profit or any kind of money at all. So that was my other stock. But this is Snapchat right here, guys. As you can see, up 5% on the day almost. These are one of my positions that I have. It was really good for me. I've been invested into it for a while. You know, I've seen the uptrend. It's up 100% on the last 3 months. I just believe in this. You know, Snapchat is awesome. I feel like it's not going anywhere. And, you know, I bought it in at about 43. And as you can see, it's at 44.31. So I made about 2% overall on it. I mean, that's not bad, but at the end of the day, like, it was down. It's just now coming back up. So that's awesome. You know, just today I made $46 on this on this Snapchat position alone. So yeah, it's pretty good. And now this is after I sold my Tesla position, I got into 3 different stocks. And these stocks, I mean, I personally did research and figured out like there was a trend going on that these stocks were going to go up historically. And these are just amazing, you know, awesome plays to get into. So the first one was Alibaba. As you can see, 4% on the day, guys. 4% on the day, made amazing returns. Bought in at 263. It's currently at 272. I think I'm going to sell very soon. I love making my 4 or 5% and then bouncing. So like, that's pretty good. I have $3,000 invested into Alibaba, made about $95 on the day. You know, I just invested into this not too long ago, and I have about 11.3 shares. So Alibaba is an amazing play. It's, you know, it's like the king of e-com in China. So I really got into it, and yeah, man, it's been paying off, and I like what I'm seeing. Chewy, for another example, guys, is an amazing stock that I personally invested into a couple of days ago when I exited out of Tesla. I put in $3,600 into it. About $65 was the average cost, and now it's at $68, which has been really good for me. I'm up 5% on the stock, so I'm up $193 just on the stock alone in the last couple of days, which is actually really, really good. So yeah, this is one of my positions, Chewy. It's one of those e-com dog stores that are doing really, really well during the pandemic, and I feel like it's really going to be an amazing stock to invest in long term. I don't really know a lot of people that go to Petco anymore and any of those dog stores because of the corona, and I feel like everything is moving on to the e-com side of things. So Chewy is just one of those stocks that I really think that are going to, like, you know, blow up and on the e-com side of things. And then my last stock, I'm taking a fat L on it, but I'm, you know, hopefully it's going to bounce back because I invested into Delta. It's on sale. It's crazy the fact that it's so cheap right now. Its highs were in the 60s, and now it just dropped recently down to, like, you know, the 30s. So I was like, bro, I have to steal this. So right now I'm in it for $2,000. I invested about $2,000 into this stock. I bought it at 37. I bought it at 38, and it's currently at 37 right now. So, you know, I'm down about 4%, but like I said, stocks go up and down. Like you saw on the Chewy position, I was up 4% just on the day. So, you know, stocks go up and down really, really quickly. So I always sell the stock when it's actually at its high. You know, I always sell at its peak. And I try to buy at its lows, but sometimes it's not possible. But, you know, I try my best. So anyways, guys, this is my stock portfolio. Let me know you guys' opinions. What do you guys think? I'm currently going to get into a lot of positions starting Monday, and I'm so excited. The stock market's been amazing for me, and especially seeing a bunch of results come in. Let me know what you guys are invested into in the comment section below. Did I make any good moves? Did I make smart moves? Or are you guys not, you know, satisfied with my stock portfolio? Is there any stocks that you guys recommend me getting into? Do you guys want to see any challenges of stock? Do you guys want to see me do options tradings? Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be active on this page. Let's make some moves. Let's make some money. And it's Ish, and I'm signing off. Thanks, y'all.